Birla Estate is now opening their new towers at Birla Ibara right here in Sarjapur, South Bangalore. Hello everyone and very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we'll be revealing the teaser for the same. And even there is exciting payment plan for this one. So stay tuned until the end to know the exciting payment plan. Now in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And right now I'm standing on the land parcel and the main entrance is right over here. So this is the main entrance of your land parcel. So once you enter, the land parcel starts from here and the marketing office is right inside over this side. Now you must be wondering what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now, let me show you the marketing office. So right behind me is the marketing office of your project. So you'll be getting all the information and detail, and even you can check out the model apartment right over here. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So Birla Ibara is spread across 26 acres of massive land parcel where they are coming up with 13 towers, out of which 8 towers were already launched. Now launching with 2 towers of 2 basement ground plus 25 floors, offering you 3 BHK in different variants, 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies. And remaining 3 towers are for future development. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located bang on Gopal Krishna Adiga Road near to Birla Mandir, Sarjapur, South Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and this is the main entrance of our project. So this is the Gopal Krishna Adiga Road. On my left hand side you can connect towards Koretti, and the right side road will take you towards Gatahali. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Wipro Koretti in just 10 minutes from the project. RGA Tech Park, which is again 10 minutes away, and Peripheral Ring Road is 15 minutes away from the location of your project. Now about the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities like of the Grand Clubhouse, football ground, here's the skywalk, kids play zone, garden area, jogging track and many more amenities. Now about the super built-up area. So Birla Ibara offers you 3 BHK with different variants, 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies, where 3 BHK compact is of 1640 square feet. 3 BHK regular of 1874 square feet, 3.5 BHK of 2160 square feet and 4.5 BHK of 2700 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and currently the project booking window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model apartment as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. Now, Birla Estate is here with one of the flexible payment plan at Birla Ibara, where you have to pay 20% within 90 days, 20% when superstructure is ready, and remaining at the time of OC. Isn't it amazing, right? So everyone, this was the teaser of Birla Ibara launching with its 2 new towers by Birla Estate in Sarjapur, South Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.